Looking for the best mobility scooters to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 5. Pride Go-Go Elite Traveler 4-wheel mobility scooter. This scooter stands out for its versatility, stability, and power. Designed for comfort, it features a cushioned seat and a spacious deck, ensuring a smooth and pleasant ride no matter how long you use it. One of its best features is the easy one-hand disassembly system. You can quickly take the scooter apart into 5 lightweight pieces for convenient transport and storage. The heaviest piece weighs just 34 pounds, making it manageable to lift and move. The full scooter supports up to 300 pounds and can reach speeds of up to 4 miles per hour, providing a safe and steady ride. The non-scuffing, flat-free tires and sturdy seat post add to its stability and reliability. For storage, it includes a standard front basket and a removable footboard basket, giving you plenty of space for your belongings. Overall, the Pride Go-Go Elite Traveler 4-wheel scooter is a great mix of comfort, portability, and practicality, perfect for anyone looking for a reliable mobility solution. Number 4. Vive 3-wheel. The Vive 3-wheel mobility scooter, our budget pick of the list, lets you embrace independence without breaking the bank. This electric-powered mobile wheelchair device offers a winning combination of affordability and functionality, making it a great choice for those seeking cost-effective mobility solutions. Thanks to its durable motor and flat-free tires, this scooter easily glides over a variety of terrains. It has a weight capacity of up to 265 pounds and can hit 3.7 miles per hour at top speed, with an impressive driving distance of up to 12.4 m per charge. You can rely on it to get you through daily tasks and adventures. Featuring a comfortable swivel seat with flip-up armrests and an adjustable height, this scooter doesn't compromise on comfort even though it's offered at an affordable price. It's also exceptionally portable with the ability to be disassembled into 4 lightweight pieces. Plus, all 4 pieces can fit into most vehicle trunks, making it a great option for travel. Finally, the intuitive tiller console offers control over speed, direction, and headlights, giving you full command of the road. Number 3. Trixi Crus Foldable Scooter. The Trixi Crus Foldable Scooter is the best option on the market when it comes to compact storage. This model weighs just 58 pounds, a similar weight to some other models' individual disassembled pieces. Its noteworthy folding mechanism allows it to fit in the back of most vehicles without the need for disassembly, saving time and offering convenience for anyone on the go, indoors or outdoors. Beyond the Trixi Crus folding abilities, this scooter also prioritizes rider comfort and safety. With front springs absorbing bumps and a wide floor deck, users can be confident they'll get a smooth and comfortable ride every time. The controls are also thoughtfully designed, including features like a speed control dial that keeps you in control even in crowded areas. Safety features like a bright headlight and horn offer peace of mind, powered by a 180-watt rear transaxle motor and a lithium battery pack. The Trixi Crus achieves up to 18 amp on a single charge. As portable as it is, this scooter is made from durable aluminum and has a weight capacity of 350 pounds, making it accessible to many users. Number 2. Golden Technologies Buzzaround LX 3-wheel scooter. The Buzzaround LX 3-wheel scooter is an excellent pick for comfort and convenience in the realm of mobility scooters. This scooter offers an exceptional 18 amp range on a single charge, giving you the freedom to tackle daily errands or go on adventures without interruption. A standout feature is the adjustable tiller, which gives ergonomic control and allows users to customize their scooter to their preferred specifications. Seating is one of the most important scooter features regarding comfort, and this model delivers a high back seat designed with plush upholstery as well as armrests, a feature basic scooter models lack. The advanced suspension system also keeps rides smooth over uneven terrain and gives riders a gentle journey. Finally, this scooter is equipped with plenty of legroom for added comfort. Other features that make this scooter a great choice include a USB port for easy charging on the go as well as a quick disassembly feature that makes travel convenient. Number 1. Apus Scooter S4 All-Terrain Mobility Scooter 4-wheel. If you're looking for a solid outdoor scooter that'll be ready for anything, the Apus Scooter S4 All-Terrain Mobility Scooter 4-wheel is a great pick. While the standard model is impressive in its own right, the upgrade options give this scooter a bump above the competition when it comes to comfort, durability, and speed. The Apus Scooter S4 comes in 4 colors and includes a built-in lockbox and cup holders. You can further improve your ride with optional dual seating and wider seat choices, accommodating up to 550 pounds for a comfortable, personalized experience. With a top speed of just over 9 miles per hour and an impressive travel range of up to 37 m, it easily adapts to different speeds and landscapes. What makes the Apis Scooter S4 stand out is its all-weather performance. Optional Golf tires ensure a solid grip on any surface, and the front and rear suspension systems give a smooth ride while conquering all-terrain challenges. You can also add a canopy feature for protection when driving in the rain or other elements. Smart features like the auto-dimming headlight and auto-off on the Charger showcase its efficiency and energy conservation. Made for adventure, the Apis Scooter S4 is a powerhouse on the greens and during urban exploration. I hope you like this video. I have tried my best to provide accurate information about the products that are available on the market, so that you can pick the correct product for your purpose. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.